Revisit the wonder of the past with Southwestern Adventist University's Dino Dig Experience. Every June, this captivating program unites students, families, and visitors from around the world to excavate and study dinosaur fossils.
The excitement of uncovering ancient relics draws many to Southwestern Adventist University's Dino Dig Experience. This annual dinosaur excavation research project takes place in the Lance Formation of eastern Wyoming in the United States every June. Participants, including students, families, and international attendees, gather to study dinosaur fossil remains. The Dino Dig Experience is an accredited course that offers students hands-on field experience, bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. The excavation site provides a unique opportunity to study Cretaceous dinosaur bones in their natural environment. Families with children also join the dig, sharing in the excitement of discovery. This inclusive approach allows people of all ages to engage with science and develop a sense of wonder about the natural world. This year, the event was truly international, with participants from Brazil, Chile, Ethiopia, Jamaica, Kenya, and Mexico. Among them was Nelson Lempen, a recent geology graduate from Chile. His journey to the Dino Dig reflects his lifelong passion for dinosaurs and geology, nurtured since childhood. His dedication led him to extensive research and sponsorship by the Faith and Science Council. For Nelson, the Dino Dig is more than an excavation. It is an opportunity to harmonize scientific pursuits with his faith. Raised as an Adventist, he is interested in how geological evidence aligns with the biblical narrative. The Dino Dig provides a platform to explore these questions within a community that shares his values. The Dino Dig Experience fosters networking and collaboration, allowing participants to work alongside experienced scientists and fellow enthusiasts. This collaborative environment advances scientific knowledge and strengthens bonds between participants. The Dino Dig Experience at Southwestern Adventist University is more than an excavation project. It is a transformative adventure that brings together diverse backgrounds to uncover the past, explore scientific questions from a biblical foundation, and build a community of faith and learning.
To learn more about this project and how to participate, visit their website at dinosaur.swau.edu.